Welcome back to our second tutorial video. In this session, we'll take a closer look at the Drug Repurpose tab. Please note that the tables displayed here are only placeholders. The correct and updated results are still being generated and will be available once complete. The dataset includes 3,275 diseases, with the number of approved or investigational drugs for each disease shown in parentheses. Users can explore either a single disease or several at once. For this demo, we'll begin with 2 diseases and see what results we get. The diseases selected here are schizophrenia and schizoaffective disorder. Schizophrenia is a focus of this project, and schizoaffective disorder was chosen as it is closely related. Here, we can save all tables at once. For each disease, we also have a final score threshold parameter, by default set to the third quantile of the final score values, along with the total number of candidate drugs and options to show or hide specific columns. As an example, let's show 4 extra columns. Once added, we can scroll to the right and confirm that they appear. The same features apply to the second table, which corresponds to the second disease. We can see that links exist for both the diseases and the candidate drugs. For example, clicking on the schizoaffective disorder link takes us to the comparative toxicogenomics database. Since schizoaffective disorder is listed as a synonym, the page directs us to psychotic disorders, showing that the tool handled it well. When it comes to candidate drugs, the links use their IDs to take us to the right database. For instance, Me344 directs us to Drug Bank, though the details are limited because it's a relatively new drug. Clicking on the second drug, metformin hydrochloride, takes us to the RX norm database because of its ID. Next, let's check the third candidate drug. This one links to Drug Banca again, and since it's well studied, a lot of detailed information is available. Now, let's take a look at how saving the tables works. Currently, all table results are saved into a single CSV file. In the future, this may change so that each table is saved in a separate sheet, making them easier to access. Finally, when multiple diseases are selected, a heat map is generated. This heat map shows the jacket index similarity between diseases based on shared genes. In a future version, it will also include similarities based on shared approved or investigational drugs. A nice touch is that the font sizes are adjustable and the heat map can be saved as a PDF. In the next tutorial, we'll explore the intersection tab. Thank you for watching.